Today's question from the comments is all about getting a clean slate with the IRS.
Can you do a video about settling your taxes? I owe a lot and there is no way I can pay it. How can I figure out if I qualify for tax forgiveness? Thanks.
This is one of the number one questions for folks that are struggling with tax debt. And the biggest myth is that qualifying is based on having a sad story or maybe just a percentage of how much you actually owe. It's neither of those things. The IRS doesn't care about your story. They care about a math equation called the Reasonable Collection Potential, or RCP. Before I give you this simple formula, if you have any questions that you want me to answer, just drop it in the comments and I might answer yours next. The formula is A plus B equals OIC. If you want to know if you qualify right now, just grab a pen. Here it is again. A plus B equals your potential settlement amount, where A is your asset equity. Look at your house, your car, your investments. If you sold everything today and paid off all the loans, how much cash would you have left over? It's the value of the house minus the mortgage, or the value of the car minus the car note. If you have $50,000 in cash in the bank, the IRS will never settle for $500. They want the equity. So remember, A plus B equals OIC. Well, B is your future income. Take your monthly income and subtract your allowable monthly expenses. Whatever is left over is your disposable income. Multiply that by 12 or 24. That's the number the IRS thinks it can collect from your future paychecks. So if you add together A plus B and that number is less than your total tax debt, congratulations. You've probably got a decent shot at an offer in compromise. But if A plus B is more than what you owe the IRS, you either want to look at another resolution option or consult a tax pro. It might sound straightforward, but this process is full of pitfalls. Most people calculate their monthly discretionary income wrong. They use their actual expenses, but the IRS forces you to use their artificially capped national standard expenses, which makes you look richer than you actually are. Some people calculate their income wrong. Lots of people overinflate their asset values because they don't know what counts and what doesn't. And it's not just knowing the formula. The IRS often rejects an offer that they should have accepted. So you need to know how to appeal. Look, don't guess at this. If you get it wrong, you've wasted a lot of time and money that you won't get back. Let the Levy King run the numbers for you properly and figure out if you truly qualify for an IRS reset.